Hi everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about the Casfuy Pet Nail Grinder. I got these for my dogs. I have 2 of them and I like to trim their nails at home, so this has made it super easy. It looks just like, if I can get it out, this. So it's really small, but it's non-slip, so your hands aren't gonna slip all over. It's ergonomically designed, so it's really gonna fit any kind of hand shape or size. This little thing just pops off. And then this is the actual grinder right here. It does have 2 speeds, so for thicker nails or a smaller animal, you can use the lower speed. It is really quiet and low vibrational, so you're not gonna scare your animals. I know my small French bulldog, she doesn't like getting her nails trimmed. She gets sensitive about it. This has been great. It doesn't freak her out. It doesn't scare her. It also has LED lights in the top, so you can see the nail and so you don't grind it too low. We have had this for over a year. It takes only a little bit to charge, and then I think I've only charged it twice in a year. It has 3 hours worth of charge once you've charged it fully, so you really don't have to charge it that often, which is so great. The grinder wheel is detachable. You just take this off and you can replace the grinder wheel once it's worn down. If you are in the market for something like this, I highly recommend it. It's so convenient. It just has a USB charger. You plug it in and then plug it into your USB port and it'll be charged within an hour or 2 and you're good to go for a really long time. So if you have pets, you could use this on small animals like cats. You can use it on dogs, obviously. Guinea pigs. I couldn't think, I was gonna say something else. Guinea pigs, and then maybe birds that have long nails. This would be perfect for that also. So I hope this was helpful, and thank you.